Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you today about 5 exercises to get a money mindset. I didn't think about it till a friend of mine was telling me, she was actually asking me how I have been able to make 2 large house payments for quite some time now, and I had lost my full time job. And I help people a lot, friends and family, with their finances and stuff like that. And I have used some of those techniques that I do and stuff in with my business. And it's just very recently when someone was asking me about my house issue, I'm I need to help with people with my business, not just everything else that I help them with. I need to help them with this too. So, 1 second and we'll get right to it. I'm back. Okay. I am going to talk to you about 5 exercises to get your money in your mind set. Okay. It is very important as an entrepreneur because you will be fighting your mind the whole time, and we're here to make money, and you need to make money, but you need to know what to do. Okay. And you need to focus in with your money and your mindset, if that makes any sense. So, hopefully this will help you. But do me a favor. I'm Shelly, and this is my channel. And if you're into anything like affiliate marketing, motivation, online marketing, make money online, go ahead and subscribe for me so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you want to make sure you don't miss any of my videos, go ahead and hit the little bell so you can get the notifications when a new video comes out. If you get anything out of this particular video, I'd appreciate it with a thumbs up. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, save. Save. Sounds really simple, right? Saving money can be very hard. But there's not a lot out there that they tell you, a lot of people will tell you the wrong thing. They will tell you you need thousands and thousands of dollars. And that makes me so mad because you don't. Okay? I started off with spending $2,000 on a course and the platform and everything. But you don't have to. You could Legendary Marketer has a $7 15-day challenge that teaches you a ton. That's the price of a hamburger, okay? The One Funnel Away Challenge by Russell Brunson is $100, okay? That might seem expensive, but with all of their bonuses and then my bonuses, and I mean, when you add all of that in, I mean, it's like over $6,000, and it's only $100. So, come on. But a lot of people will tell me that they don't have the money, and then I just have to say, okay, well, sit back and just save it. Okay? There's lots of ways to do it. And then once you have it, then you're ready to get started. Okay. Number 2 is sacrifice. Okay. Yes, sacrifice. It could mean a couple different things, but you could sacrifice selling something. If you really want to get a business started and you don't have any money, especially a lot of people that just start off, you have to sacrifice your time, your things, have a garage sale, make some money, sell something. You have to do something that you may not be comfortable doing. You know, you could on the weekend go earn some extra money, let's just say washing cars, and you're not comfortable doing that, but it'll get you your money so you can get started. We have to do that sometimes. Okay. 3, this is very important. Are you worth it? Okay. This is one of the ones that I struggled with too, because in the beginning, money is money, and there's like courses and all this stuff you could spend that will help you, and I'm like, oh my gosh, but that's money spent. That's money, And I had to sit back and think, this is for me. Am I worth it? Because I'm not going out and I'm not buying a new couch. I'm not going out and I'm not buying something. I mean, I'm actually purchased something for me, for my business, for my future. So you have to ask yourself, are you worth it? Because it's for you. Look how much money we spend on college. I have an IT degree. I spent a lot of money on college. And a lot of times these courses or things that you could purchase that will help you, I mean, they don't even teach you half of that stuff in college, okay? So, again, you are worth it. Number 4, let it go. Let it go. I used a couch. Say you have a real fancy couch, okay? Sell it. Get rid of it. Get the money to get started. And then later on, you can have a way fancier couch, okay? I'm just saying, have a garage sale, okay? You can make $200 easy off of a garage sale. And that, let's just say you made $200, okay? We'll stick with that. You can use $100 for the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is awesome and amazing, and I recommend everybody to do it. I have the link down below. And the Legendary Marketer is $7. It is my number one thing that I tell everybody to do. It's $7. It teaches you a whole bunch of stuff. Guys, it's $7. I'm just trying to help you. There's ways to get started, and it's not very expensive. Okay, you got $200. So that's $107 out of $200. Hey, you have some spare change, okay? And also, when I say let it go, it's not just stuff. Let it go the way you think. Because you're probably thinking that I can't do this. Okay? What if I fail? What if I spend all this money? Okay? Stop thinking like that. Talking negativity will give you negative results. So, quit doing that. Let it go. You have to pump yourself up. Seriously. I do it every day. Okay? So, when you wake up in the morning, write yourself a sticky note. It's like, Shelly told me to put a sticky note here. And tell yourself, I can do this. Okay? Because you can. And number 5 is the most important. Take action. Okay? This is where I failed. Okay? I started this a while back. But I got stuck in the learning mode. So I learned, and I learned, and I learned. If you have any questions, I could probably answer them because I've learned so much. But then I didn't do anything about it. I didn't start, okay? And I think it was till Jacob Karras kicked my butt and said, Shelly, you gotta start. Okay, and he told me I would be good at YouTube. So here I am making a video. I write blogs too. Anything to get out there and actually take action. So, if I can do it, you can do it. These sound really easy, but you actually, it's hard because you just don't want to implement them. But I promise you, you will succeed if you do. Okay? And I'm going to do another video that's more in-depth, but this is where you need to start. Okay? Get these 5 things down. I promise you they'll help you. Alright guys, do me a favor, if you got anything out of this video, give me a thumbs up. And again, if you want to see more of me, my videos, and what I am talking to you about, subscribe to my channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Until the next video.